Hey guys, I just got invited to go to an epic trip to the Maldives, and we're gonna fly from here, from Los Angeles to Dubai, and then continue our trip to the Maldives. So we know that there is a wave pool in Abu Dhabi near Dubai, and we're gonna hit that first, do a little training over there, and then hit paradise. And I cannot wait to start my pasta diet. We're gonna serve pasta point.
Al City, welcome to Alain. Feel home, welcome to it.
And the acts of God. Well, you can write me a letter from across the sea. You know I'm never coming back. I ate the fruit of the tree. I find my way by the light of the moon. The devil's on his way, he'll be here soon. They're burning all the books in the name of the Lord, living by the wits and dying by the sword. But it's alright, I'm done with dying.
Oh, 16 hours flight, man, all the way here to Dubai. We're finally here. I'm so tired. We're gonna sleep, but tomorrow we can't wait to hit the wave pool. It's gonna be awesome.
Broken glass will cut you, but the blood is what stings. When the hammer comes down, the anvil rings. Yeah, and that's just how it is. That's all you wanted me to know. Water gets too high, gotta pack your things and go. Well, sometimes what you get, you didn't think you could have. Sometimes what you lose is better than what you had. How it is, when the bands that bind begin to tear. Yeah, but I wouldn't be here if it hadn't been for them.
You see that, Chaka?
Yeah, I just
Have you seen it
noticed.
before?
No, I just
Yeah.
noticed from him.
Where? The best.
All right, that wave pool is incredible. In the middle of the desert, man-made waves, like perfect rights and lefts for training. Great, great. But to be honest with you, I'm done with the chlorine smell, dude. I want the paradise. Let's carb up and hit past the point. Let's go to the Maldives. Just a few more steps and we're gonna have the video. And that left healing there, that's plastic.
Sitting here worried when my time
Hold on, you guys have any pasta here? Amazing.
Well, can you hear my train coming on down the line?
All right, guys, we're here at Maldives, paradise, guys. So many waves. Look, we have chickens and cokes, and we have ninjas and the Four Season Resort, and then we have sultans on the other side of the channel and hunkies, and then we have jailbreaks, and of course we're past the point. And this is a resort where only the people who stay here can surf this perfect laugh. So yes, let's do it.
Well, you heard about the crossroad deep down in a Delta town. Yeah, you heard about the crossroad deep down in a Delta town. Well, I'm here to tell you now, there's something down that Mississippi ground. Mississippi ground. Mississippi ground. Mississippi ground. Oh yeah. Well, many a man fall on bending knee. Yeah, many a man fall on bending knee. Well, they speak in tongues and know not what they see. What they see. What they see. What they see. Oh yeah. Left behind a woman whose love was my life. I left behind a woman, love was my life. Because my name was called, yeah, through the dead of night.
Então, estamos aqui diretamente das Maldivas. Quero dar um shout out for God and Jesus. Obrigado por me trazer aqui, Deus. Obrigado. Já quero de coração. Agradeço também minha família, minha mulher por me dar um suporte e me deixar vir aqui. Deus abençoe a sua vida. E a vida do Warren, que é um homem de Deus, ele nem sabe. O cara tem vários frutos do Espírito na vida dele. E é isso, cara. Um abração. Uma curtida lá. Siga na série que tá vindo lá atrás. Thank you and goodbye.